welcome to PhysioCare Patient Management Software. In this demo, we'll walk you through how to add a new branch and manage multiple branches in the portal. Please log into the web portal at physiocarepms.com. Adding a new branch is supported only on the web portal. However, you can access and switch branches from both the web and mobile apps. Step 1. Benefits of the multi-branch feature. All patient and treatment records stay separate for each branch. Header, footer, payment modes, theme color, Google review link, and WhatsApp message notes can be customized branch-wise. Access control is managed using Manage Branch and Switch Branch permissions. Reports are always generated branch-wise. Users with Switch Branch can change branches and view records on both web and mobile. Branch switching is available from the dashboard and the top app bar. Step 2. Add a new branch. Navigate to Clinic Details and open the branch list. By default, you'll see your primary clinic. Click Add New Branch to create another branch. Enter the branch details. Branch name, address, appointment message, and payment notes, all optional and can be updated later. Click Add to save. Your new branch will appear in the branch list. To switch branches, use the branch switch button from the dashboard or the top app bar. All activity is always saved in the currently selected branch. Step 3. Update branch-wise header, footer and payment modes. In Clinic Details, select a branch. Use payment modes to add or update payment options. Use header and footer to upload branch-specific headers and footers for prescriptions and receipts. You can also set a Google review link and terms and conditions for that branch. If branch details are not provided, the system will use the general clinic settings. Users with Manage Branch permission can update all these settings. Step 4. Branch-wise reports. In the Reports section, you will see data for the currently selected branch. Switch branches from the top app bar to view reports for another branch. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you, and see you on the portal.